This is a Beetle pedal cluster. You can see your clutch and brake pedals right here. Gas pedal's currently been removed, but this is the clutch cable hook, and this is the part that always breaks, and you can see it's elongated. The clutch cable hooks in it just like this, and as this hook moves back and forth, it rubs right in there, which eats out that hole. Now this can be fixed. You can replace the whole shaft that goes through here, but these things are often rusted and just stuck and really hard to get apart, but there's an easier way. Watch this. There it is, just like that. Fresh hook, hardened steel, because it was welded, of course, so ready to go in the car.